So I have my eyelid prime with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige. Now we're going to go into our Morphe palette. It's the 3502 palette. So my base has started to crease, so let me go back over it. Yeah. And now that we have that set, we're going to go in with, if I could find my brush, with this LA Girl brush in I think the number is 202. I'm going to go into it and we're going to pick up Fire, which is this red color right here. So this red right here. And we're gonna just pack it above our crease. Ooh. Now that we have that color all packed, we're now going to go ahead and blend, but first I'm going to dust out the excess color that we have in here. I'm going to kind of dust it out a little. Now we're going to start blending, and I dust it out because I didn't want to add any more color when I'm blending than what I already have done.
$2,000 years later.
Now I think I have it all blended to my liking. I'm going to use 3 browns. So I'm going to use Rich, In the Zone, and Brunette. So there is this color here, this color here. I can't see. Let me do it this way. So I'm going to be using this, then this, and Brunette as my 3 browns. So I'm dipping into Rich, so Rich, In the Zone, Brunette, and I'm going to just pack it in my crease just to deepen it. And I use all 3 because I think they give me the darkest pigment that I'm looking for, instead of one, because I've tried using one and I don't think I get the pigmentation that I'm going for. So I mix all 3 because they look pretty together. I think this is my 3rd fall video. I hope you guys are enjoying them. If you are, please stop and give this video a thumbs up for your girl. One time for the one time. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl brush with nothing on it and just go over the edge of the brown. Now it's time for me to cut my crease. You guys know I set long for cut my crease, so I'm going to come back with my crease cut and continue the video. Okay guys, I am back and my crease is cut, I should say. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe flat brush. It's the Morphe, oops, sorry, hopefully not hear that. It's the Morphe M166 brush, and I'm going to go into a blaze, which is this color here. Going to go into a blaze and pack that over my cut crease. Okay, now that we have that color down, I need to get this looking like this. So what I did was I went in with some glitter glue. That's all it is, regular glitter glue, sorry, and just a pointed brush. Excuse my dry hands. Oh god, somebody couldn't tell me. I'm not gonna stay so. So I'm gonna go in and add some glitter over top of the orange that I have done. Did I say glitter or glitter glue? I don't even know what I just say. I don't even know what I just said. I'm trying to speak more English because my sister niece Abigail told me that I am not speaking enough English. So there are those among her who don't really understand what I'm saying. So I'm trying to accommodate those people and my audience. However, I am Jamaican and I'm talking to myself and I'm very comfortable. So more than likely I will speak Patois a lot of the time because of how comfortable I am, okay? So don't be mad. Now that we have that color down, I'm going to take my flat brush from AliExpress and go into Sauce, which is this shimmery orange here. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm going to go in with Sauce and just place it over top of the glitter. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my brush with the brown and just kind of just blend everything together so you can't see that line of demarcation. Hopefully they're not here, my kids, them downstairs are run. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on from AliExpress, which is my store. So I'm gonna add the glue. I don't need to tell you guys that, never mind. Yes, Rishan, why you have to come in my bathroom to pee pee? Wanna hear that? I'm gonna go ahead with my Sephora liner and line my lash. Close the door. Okay guys, now that I have that, if I can find my tweezer, I'm going to apply my lash. What me can do on camera, but we gonna watch me do it. Yeah, and there we have it. Now I'm going to go grab my lippy and get my stuff to finish off the eye look and be back. Okay guys, now that I'm done, I'm going to just brush off. I had some powder here, so I'm going to brush off the liquor powder that I had there. Go back into the palette. Go back into the palette and grab the 3 browns again. So Rich, In the Zone, Burnett, and press it under my waterline, my lower lash line, I should say. Now it is time for lips. I'm gonna go in with this lip pencil from Annabelle. I'm not supposed to know it already. In Espresso. I'm not see it, but whatever. Let me wipe this off my lip. So I'm gonna go in with Espresso. So I have Espresso all over my lips. Now I'm good because this has a little purplish pinkish undertone to it, which is the 310 in L'Oreal. I'm just gonna do a little dab in the middle, 3 small dabs like that, and rub it together. This is it, guys. I really love the way it is looking, but I'm gonna go fix my hair and be back to do my outro. So guys, this is the final look and the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button on your way out. Now let's do slow-mo in 3, 2, 1. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button and the like button on your way out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.